Kung kumakain ka ng malunggay, watch this. Ang malunggay, also known as Moringa oleifera, is one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods on earth. Ang malunggay leaves ay may 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 4 times more calcium than milk, 3 times more potassium than bananas, 4 times more vitamin A than carrots, at 2 times more protein than yogurt. Sagana rin ito sa antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid. Ang mga ito ay tumutulong to reduce inflammation, balansehin ang hormones, and support glowing skin and strong immunity. Ang malunggay can be prepared and consumed in many ways. Pwedeng mag-add ng 1 tablespoon of malunggay powder in your oatmeal or your smoothie. You can also steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried malunggay leaves sa mainit na tubig for an immunity-boosting tea. Idagdag din ang fresh malunggay leaves sa inyong mga ulam, katulad ng tinola, munggo, or stir-fried dishes. Or, maaari din naman itong i-take in capsule form for a convenient daily dose. Ang malunggay can boost your immunity and energy, can support thyroid and liver health. Tumutulong ito sa lactating moms to increase the milk supply. It can also promote hair, skin, and nail growth. At makakatulong din sa inyong fatigue at hormonal stress. Ang malunggay ay accessible, affordable, at napakainam sa inyong kalusugan. Maaring idagdag ito sa inyong daily diet. Tandaan, better habits, better you. Mag-ingat po kayo parati. I'm Dr. Lian. Follow for more health tips.